Good day. My name is Myra, 27 years old. A single parent, blessed with one son, ages 11 months old. My highest educational attainment is a bachelor's degree, a graduate of elementary education, major in general education, and a LET passer last 2024 from Finma University of Iloilo. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, and playing volleyball games. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and also to save money for my son's future. I have a local working experience as a helper for almost 3 years. I serve 5 members of a family, including mom, sir, their 2 children, and one child, ages 2 years old. My duties are tutoring the child, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, and also grocery shopping for the whole family needs. I have also a teaching working experience in a learning centers for almost 1 year and a half. To my future employees, please hire me because I am loyal, trustworthy, and a hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities, hoping working with you soon. Thank you.